This is a general guide, and your installation may vary. For more information, consult the installation manual that's shipped with your merchandiser. At this point, we're ready to begin joining the cases together. First, remove the shelves, rear plenum, and coil cover in the end of the case being added to gain access to the frame bolt holes. Then, install the T-rail, which is the piece of molding that covers the small gap between cases in a lineup. Using tape, set the T-rail in place just before the cases are sealed together. The T-rail must be set in place before cases are bolted together. Attempting to position it afterward will damage the T-rail and result in improper fit. Next, apply a bead of butyl sealant to all exposed foam edges at the end of one case. This creates an airtight seal when the cases are joined together. Inspect the bead to make sure there are no gaps and there is enough to provide a complete seal. After the butyl sealant is applied to one of the two cases, they're ready to be joined together. Move the second case into position against the end of the first case using a J-bar or similar device. Install the hat channels and level the second case using the appropriate shims, just as you did with the first case. Bolt the cases together through the 5 holes in the end frame. Once cases are joined using the provided bolts, slowly draw them together until they're airtight. Use a J-bar to position cases as needed. Tighten the bolts until all seams are fully closed. Be careful not to over-tighten. Doing so will crack the weld and prevent the units from pulling together. Thank you for watching our installation guide for Masterbuilt semi-self-contained endless merchandisers. For more resources or assistance, visit our website or call us. We're here to help.